Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tracy. Please don't forget to subscribe. So today I'll be doing these full covered press on purple gel nails with flowers, and I will go ahead and I'm still deciding. I was deciding which purple to use. They're two different kind, but while I'm doing my base coat I was trying to see which color I would like. So I ended up using this brand instead of the Madame Glam. And since it's just for a show, I didn't want to, use my expensive one. Those polished are like over $10, where these, I've got a few of them and get one free from Amazon. I can't find them anymore, but they're very good. I like them, I really do. So for the first practice gel that you come out of school using, or even as a person at home using gel polish, this is a good brand to use. Anyways, I missed the two that you see there because I'll be making that clear. Now I said when you do press on nails to make sure that you do like a color that hides the glue underneath, so I ended up putting a little sticky tab just for show. And I'm gonna go ahead and build it though with the builder gel. So when I put the flowers on there, I'll just go ahead and cure it, and it's already have like a thicker layer of just being base coat to flower to top coat. The builder will serve like a polish, I guess, but a little bit thicker, and also it's good to encapsulate the flower. So I love Orly, guys. That I love that Orly. I just I don't know, I'm still figuring it out a little bit, but I like how this ended up coming out. It's just simple. These flowers are kind of expensive for, if you go to AliExpress and buy like rhinestones and things like that. The flowers are normally more expensive, and they're I'm trying to find a way to make my own, or go to the yard and pick little flowers and let them dry, or right now I'm getting smaller little flowers in my garden. So I ended up taking that one off because one of the little petal for the lighter flower came apart, and it was just not looking right. So I just took it off and put a new coat of builder gel. So I'm just encapsulating it right now, and so that it could not feel rough when you put it on. And what I don't do on screen, guys, for my full covered press on nails is I don't show that I buff the nails before I put coats on there. And the reason why I do put a base coat, since they're all builder gel and the color's not gonna damage your nail. I mean, since they are press on and it's not gonna damage your nail, just to give it a little bit more thickness to the nail when you put them on. You don't want them too flimsy. So I'm just putting on rhinestone, and I'm using the same Orly builder to put on my rhinestones. And when I come out of this Rona situation, I will be having like a nail per week, because I've done a few press on nails and I'll have like a color. If I could change them per day, I would have per day, but they're glued on, and I want them to come off when it's time for them to come off. If you put them on really well, they can stay up to 2 weeks. You just have to be careful. I just decided to add some little of this little embellishment, like little sparkle effect, and I'm just gonna put on top the top coat. I'm not going to encapsulate that with the builder gel or anything. So I hope you guys are being safe. You can go check out my Instagram page at My Life on the Hill, and also my Patreon at patreon.com/ I changed it to My Life on the Hill. First it was Nail Room Talk, so if you can't find it under My Life on the Hill, go to Nail Room Talk. And I plan to have like different membership there. It's just right now we're doing so much because my son decided he wants his own room, so we're renovating one of our spare room we had with stuff in there for him to move in there. And I hate renovation. I love when it's done. I hate the process. And so it's gonna be a little bit stressful. We're almost there, I guess, taking everything out. So now my husband and my son, they're gonna go buy paint. The room was orange, and he wanted like I forgot what college blue, and was it NC North Carolina? I'm not sure what some college blue he wants. So over orange. So we have to prep that and get it ready so that it could be painted, and that the orange won't seep through the blue. So anyways, these came out really nice, you guys. I love this blend, and hope to see you stick around for the next video. Take care and be safe. Check on your neighbors, check on your friends, and take care.